Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're going to be talking about the importance of being specific when manifesting your desire. But before we get into it, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I am also in Milos, Greece right now, filming on the beach. I just snorkeled, swam around. It is the most beautiful, beautiful beach ever. I'm having a beautiful, amazing time. Today's video is sponsored by Keen. Keen is where you can talk to a plethora of talented psychic readers over the phone or online. It's personally provided me with a lot of clarity, especially after leaving my 9-to-5 job and traveling all around Europe for 3 months with my partner. I got a reading the night before I quit my 9-to-5, and I can tell you that everything that they have said has been 100% correct. I am excited to announce that I'm partnering with Keen for a giveaway. From the 1st of September to the 30th of September, anyone who tries Keen for the first time for at least 15 minutes and provides proof to me will receive an entry to win Keen prizes. An $100 credit to use Keen or a $50 credit to use Keen. To take advantage of this special opportunity, you gotta click the link in my description. On top of that, you will get your first 10 minutes with a Keen psychic advisor for $199, which is $99 in savings. Now, if you have your first reading with Keen for the first 15 minutes, you will be entered into this giveaway. You must be a first-time Keen customer and submit your entry before 30th of September. Up to 3 members of my audience will be picked at random and be emailed by Keen. Once you have completed your 15-minute reading, just email me a screenshot of the number of minutes you had your reading for at this link. I am very happy with my Keen experiences, so I'm so excited for you to try these readings, for you to get the guidance that you're looking for. So I have created a Law of Assumption 101 playlist, which you can check up above in this card here, that will teach you absolutely everything that you need to know about the Law of Assumption from scratch. This is a playlist for beginners. And honestly, if you have been in the Law of Assumption game for a while, it's always great to get back to basics once in a while. This video is very important because I'll be talking about the very first step when it comes to manifesting. Listen, before you do anything else, you must specify exactly what it is that you want. You have to know that you are the operant power of your reality. Anything that you say goes. When you're specific about what you want to manifest, you are giving your subconscious mind very clear instructions. For example, if you are driving and you are listening to your GPS for directions, you do not want your GPS to be dilly-dallying around. You just want them to tell you to turn left or turn right. This clarity helps on focusing your attention and energy on the specific outcome. This is very important. It's not about, oh, he's depressed, so maybe I won't be able to get him, so maybe I need to start from scratch and manifest a new guy. No, because when we know that we are the operant power and we are picking exactly specifically what we want without looking at the barriers, you will be able to manifest anything that you want. But the first step is to understand your power. I just ran out of memory on my camera. Before knowing that it is already done, before picking your techniques, before following your happiness, this is the very first step to my 4-step process. Can we take a little bit of a break to appreciate this view? I mean, come on. I have manifested this life for myself along with thousands of other people that have used and utilized the law of assumption. And I'm telling you, this is how it works. You be specific with what you want. You know that it's already done. Pick 1 or 2 techniques that make you feel the happiest and the most excited, and which feels the most easiest for you to do. And 4, you are following your happiness for the rest of the day. Now, also keep in mind that you don't necessarily have to be specific with your desire. For example, we are specific that we want love in our lives, but you have to go deep down inside and actually ask yourself what it is that you want. Because I am the operant power of my reality, because I can get whatever it is that I want, what is it in my heart of hearts that I truly want? So if it is a specific person, we can be as specific as possible. Go right ahead, girl. But if it is love, that is okay too, and we can be open about that. So it's not about the manifestation per se, it is about your intention and about knowing specifically what it is that you want. So you can say, I want to be in a committed relationship with Ben. Or you can say, I want to be in a loving relationship. It doesn't have to be a specific person, it doesn't have to be a specific thing, but it can be something pretty generic and open. But you must know specifically and exactly what it is that you want. Another example, you can say, I want to earn $100,000 a month, if that is specifically what you want. But you can also say, I want to be financially free. It is generic, but we are being specific about what it is that we want. As long as you, not anyone else, but you decide that this is the specific thing that I want, then we can move on to step number 2, which is it is already done, right? Because a lot of my members only and my viewers in general ask me all the time, Rita, I want this specific person, but he moved to another country. I want this job, but it doesn't really seem attainable for me. So should I manifest having better skills? Should I manifest an easier job and then go to the job that I want? No, it's always about being specific about what you want, and no one else's mother or no one else's grandmother, you. And that will happen when you truly trust yourself and trust in the law. Like, hey, if this thing could pop into my reality, wouldn't I want the 100% manifestation of it without sacrificing anything? Exactly. So I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. You're just watching me.
Yeah.
Okay.